kitchen. I'm Mary. Today we are going to make some taco salad. This is a dish that I grew up eating and we love this taco salad. I've got my cast iron heating up and I've got 1.5 pounds of ground beef here. So we're going to get that into the skillet. I'm just going to break this ground beef down as small as it can get. And while that's cooking, we're going to go ahead and chop up some romaine lettuce. You can use any kind of lettuce that you prefer. Sometimes I use green leaf lettuce. And I think I'm going to add some spinach to this lettuce also. I've got some baby spinach that's been triple washed. So I'm just going to grab some of that and stick that in there too. I always like to have tomatoes with a salad. So I've got a bowl full of washed little cherry tomatoes from Costco. I'm going to give this ground beef a stir. Tomatoes look good. Now we're going to make some homemade dressing. When I was growing up, we always bought Catalina dressing and used that on the salad. In this cookbook, right here, Better Homes and Gardens, there's a dressing that's called Russian dressing, and it tastes just like Catalina dressing. It's really good. I like to make homemade dressings. They're so good and you know the ingredients that are going into it. So I really love to make homemade dressings. You can use your oil of choice for this dressing. I'm going to use olive oil. Sometimes I use avocado oil too. But you can use whatever oil that you have on hand. And we're going to get 1/2 cup. I'm doing a double batch. My family really loves this dressing. So I always do a double batch. 1/2 cup of oil, and we're going to do 1/2 cup of ketchup, that in there. A little bit of a mess here. We're going to put 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. I'm going to use agave syrup, but you can also use sugar. I've done that many times. But today I'm going to use agave syrup, 2 tablespoons. Two tablespoons of distilled white vinegar. One teaspoon of paprika. And we're going to use 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce. And we're going to give that a mix. It's funny because that dressing, the only time that we eat this dressing is on this taco salad. We never eat it any other time, but it's really good on this taco salad. I love it on this taco salad. Okay, we're gonna check on our hamburger. I've got some of my homemade taco seasoning here, and we're gonna get some of that. And you can just put enough taco seasoning to taste. Probably gonna use the rest of this bottle. And I'm gonna put a little pinch of salt because I don't put too much salt in my taco seasoning. So I'm just gonna add some salt here. This is a really fast meal to put together. It's so good. Okay, and usually I did cook these beans. I need to can some more beans. I just put them in here to measure the beans, but I like to put black beans or pinto beans, but you can use whatever beans that you have on hand. So I'm gonna put black beans in here. I cooked those up in my Instant Pot today. I've got some shredded cheddar cheese that I shredded earlier this week. I love to have the sharp cheddar cheese on this salad too. It's really good. And the other thing that we put on the salad is Doritos. So we always put them in a Ziploc bag and then kind of have the top open. And then we crush them to put on this taco salad. And now we're ready to make our delicious taco salad. Let's see. And you can put these ingredients in any order that you prefer. We'll sprinkle on some of the crushed up Doritos. Some cheddar cheese and some tomatoes. And I'm just going to give this dressing a stir again. And we'll pour some of our dressing on top. Here's our delicious taco salad. Now we're ready to give it a try. It's so good. I hope you guys like this recipe and give it a try. Thank you all for hanging out with me today in my kitchen. I hope you have a blessed day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.